Ma'am,
Shall
you.
we?
Yeah.
Ma'am.
A lighter question. You just said you're ready for marriage. Have you found a partner?
I've been finding partners for a while. I have not been ready for marriage. I think now maybe in a couple of years. In a couple of years, let's see how it goes. करूँगा करूँगा हाँ करूँगा आते रहता है करना है देखेंगे हाँ
Hi,
Ma-
Vijay.
Hi, this is Vibha here from ABP News. Here. Right in the center.
yes
Here. Nobody can miss me that
yes
way.
yes
I just wanted to ask you, every film has become a pan-India film and all of that. जब North, East, West सबने अपना दरवाज़ा खोल दिया है South की films के लिए. Do you think the South industry is ready to take films from North down? Because till now, whatever we've seen, all the films from this side work wonders across India. But are the viewers down south ready for Hindi cinema that still is not coming down there? Are the audience becoming accepting of Hindi cinema down south?
I think the attempt, even before South cinema started being watched across the country, we were very active consumers of the big Bollywood, big Hindi films, especially in centers like Hyderabad, Bangalore, in all the cities and in the major towns. Hindi films were watched a lot. This is the first time attempts are being made to dub the films and get it into the languages, and I think when certain content works, that habit will develop. Slowly, people are getting used to watching it more and more. It's a new habit. Even South cinemas, even Southern language films that are releasing up north, not all of them do well. There are some that do well, but if we keep at it, I think slowly it becomes a habit across the country to consider it like our cinema, and you just go to watch it and you connect with the actors.
Shalini from
Hi, Vijay. Hi.
Shalini
Yes.
from Tamil Media.
One
Can I
moment, one
please
moment,
ask-
one moment. The lady
One
behind has been standing for a while, ma'am. Can we accommodate her question, please?
Hi
The lady-
Vijay, my name is Princy and I'm from Manorama, on Manorama.
Hi.
Hi, so one question is, now there's a boom of OTT, right? So there's a lot of languages a lot of movies in various languages that are reaching out to people across the country. So you might have got access to a lot of Malayalam movies. Is there any particular movie that you watched recently from Malayalam that you can particularly remember and liked?
I have not recently watched anything. I think the last bunch of movies I consumed were around in the lockdown 2020. I think that's when I saw Kumbalangi Nights, and I loved Kumbalangi. Recently, I haven't watched any cinema recently. I've missed cinema from all languages.
So will you be part of any web series in the near future?
No, I don't do web.
You're not interested?
No.
Shalini from
Okay,
Tamil
one
Media
more question.
here.
Ma'am, ma'am, one moment. One moment.
I had
one
just
moment.
one more
The
question
lady's not
to-
done yet. Yes, please.
I had just one more question to the Maitri makers, to the producers. So there's this Malayalam movie that you have committed to, you're planning to produce, Nadiga Tilagam, which is featuring Tovino Thomas in the lead. So would you be able to just speak, because you're known for making mass big project films, so coming to Malayalam and coming to Mollywood to do this film, can you talk about any particular reason that you decided to do this movie?
Story, and we met the director and we liked the story, so we love watching Malayalam films, so we want to be part in that industry also.
Thank you.
నవీన్ గారు తెలుగు
Shalini.
నవీన్ గారు ఇక్కడ
ఏమండి
ట్రైలర్ చాలా బాగుంది, గుడ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అట్లాగే మీరు ఇంతకుముందు పుష్పతో పాన్ ఇండియాలో హిట్ కొట్టారు, ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఖుషీతో వెళ్తున్నారు పాన్ ఇండియాకి. నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ పుష్ప 2 కూడా రెడీగా ఉంది మీకోసం. వాట్స్ నా ఒపీనియన్ ఏంటంటే, యాక్చువల్గా పాన్ ఇండియా సినిమాకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ పీరియాడిక్ కానీ లేదంటే యాక్చువల్గా ఒక థెఫ్ట్ దొంగ స్టోరీలు కానీ ఇట్లా తీసుకుంటున్నారు. మీరు ఒక లవ్ స్టోరీని పాన్ ఇండియా లెవెల్లో తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి విజయే కారణమా లేదా డైరెక్ట్ ఇన్స్పిరేషనా?
యూనివర్సల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అండి. లవ్ స్టోరీ ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో ఉన్న పీపుల్ వాచ్ ఇన్ ఆల్ లాంగ్వేజ్, సో వీ బిలీవ్ ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్ ఇన్ ఆల్ లాంగ్వేజ్.
తమిళ్ సినిమా రోజా ఆల్రెడీ మణిరత్నం గారు ఆల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ హిట్ కొట్టున్నారు. ఖుషి ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సేమ్, అదే సాంగ్ అన్ని హిట్ అయి ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి యూ కెన్ దానికి ఏమన్నా ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అయ్యి
As you said, all 3 songs are blockbuster in all languages. So the story is so good, and we believe that ఇది అన్ని లాంగ్వేజెస్లో బ్రహ్మాండంగా చేస్తుంది, బిలీవ్ చేస్తుంది.
మీ మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్ దర్శన సాంగ్ అన్ని లాంగ్వేజ్లో హిట్ అయింది. ఆ మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్ ఫస్ట్ టైం తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీకి తీసుకొచ్చారు. ఎట్లా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు దీనికి?
That is the reason. Darshana, we listened that song and we want Rishabh, and he's here, and he gave wonderful music, and thank you, Rishabh.
పుష్ప 2 ఈ ఇయర్ వస్తుందా?
No, it will be next year.
Thank you for your question. So one moment, ma'am, you will go next, but just allow me a moment. May I please request all our media personnel to kindly hand over the mics back. We have 3 volunteers. Show of hands and we'll pass the mic. ये थोड़ी सी एक जंग छिड़ जाएगी वरना, तो प्लीज़ हाथ ऊपर करें, हम आपको मौका देंगे, माइक भी पास करेंगे. మీరు చేయొత్తే ఇక్కడి నుంచి మైక్ పాస్ చేస్తారండి, వాలంటీర్స్ మైక్ పాస్ చేస్తారు. ఇప్పటికి దయచేసి మైక్ రిటర్న్ చేసేయండి అందరూ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಖಂಡಿತ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಅವಕಾಶ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮಗೇನೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ, ಬಟ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಏರ್, ಶೋ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ದ ಮೈಕ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.